Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hi baby. It has been a whole season actually. The last full video I made was our garden tour and redoing our garden. It did great. Got a lot of tomatoes, cucumbers. We even got a corn cob that we didn't plant. Anyway, I'm back because I have finally figured out what I was doing wrong in my sourdough journey. I wanted to kind of get back in and show you guys what I'm doing now to make a sourdough loaf. Maybe we'll even throw in some bagel dough. I don't know. Maybe that'll be a separate video, making everything bagels. But let's start off with the sourdough loaf because we've doubled in size. We are slightly past peak. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little higher up on the edges. So we're going to use the starter when it's slightly past peak, and then we're going to make the dough. I'm going to make the dough for both the bagels and the loaf. So let's get into it. I showed you, I don't know if I did show you guys, but I can insert feeding the starter, where we started off, how I did that. And then we can get into making the loaf. So it's been a couple of days, but it turned out to be a beautiful loaf. I missed the score and the baking, but you got the gist of how to make a good loaf. Okay, let me go grab it. We have already started eating it, but not the worst. Tastes amazing. As always, thank you for joining. I know I don't put out enough full-length videos, but I'm hoping to get more into it in the future, but you will see. It's a delicious and pretty loaf, so thank you to Marge, our starter, and to me for not giving up. Anyway, Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.